All right, here we go. PowerWindowDoctor.com. Like, share, subscribe. Tell your friends, ring the bell. This is my first video for Power Window Doctor. But bear with me. This is a 2006 Silverado. I'm replacing the rear regulator motor on here. I've done about 4,000 windows, so I might be going fast here, but I'm not going to tell you everything. You can look as we go. Pop that on out of there. That's the window switch. So I took this thing off. All that stuff there. There might be some screws down over here or not. There's one right down inside of there. Alright. So, this is my new adventure, I guess. Take that screw out of there. There we go. Put everything in one area. I think that's it. That should slide up. Unless we got one more hiding. And we shouldn't. That. Oh, this one over here. Every car's a little different. That should be it. We're going to change out the regulator motor over here. Something going on down there. Let me find my 10mm. There it is. Find my tape. This is my third hand. Gonna be difficult. I just learned shut that radio off, otherwise you get demonetized. Let's put the switch back on. Everyone's a little different. Take that off. All right. We take that. push it up to there. That will hold. What we got to do, take that nut off, take that nut off, take that nut off. Like I said, put everything in one spot. There we go. Come on. Just cut that. I'm making it look easy. I've done 4,000 windows, like I said. You will cut your hand, so get used to it. Unplug that. Take that out of there. That's it. Go. And it's out. That's out of there. Do the same thing, but reverse. Not cut yourself. Those cuts don't feel good. Not at all. Sometimes these nuts will go through on some parts. So, let me get this over here, over that hump, and up over that hump. We'll put that over here. That bolt there. The reason why I'm doing this is I hate confusing people on YouTube not knowing what they're doing. Try to make it simple. I want you to pay me for my knowledge or my lack of knowledge. That goes there. This one goes right here. Get my screw over here. I'll have some extras there. That bolt. That bolt. That bolt. This one down here. This one down here. Don't miss anything. So, let's take this over here. We'll plug in. You can't see the plug down here. But plug in your motor. Like I said, it's my first video. I might have a few angle shots in the future, but start that sucker up. It should move up and down like it should. Take those off a little bit. Go right there. Put the window inside the regulator, basically all the way up. We'll do one more for good luck. Make sure you don't tighten them too tight. Like my daddy said, tight is tight. Too tight is broke. So let's see, take off that tape. Bada boom, bada bing. We'll come down. Window's working. We'll put some blaster in there. Put that all in there. There you go. We'll put that in the rail here. Only on the side, not at the top or the bottom. Otherwise you'll have streaks on your window. There you go. You're going to hear some noises the first few times. It's got to adjust. There you go. Five times the charm. Let me unplug this again. Oop. This is like a water barrier, sound barrier. It doesn't really get wet in here. I never really ran across anything like that. But it's probably more for sound than anything. I don't know. Sometimes it don't stick, sometimes it does. Over here, put one right there. Stick, stick, stick. It is getting hot out here, so this stuff just starts sliding off. Put that there. Little hole there. Get some more tape on down in there. There, nice. Put one down there. Make sure everything's tucked in there. Got the regulator. This one's a little funky here. What we got? All right. So put it on. Like you took it it off. And put the power window switch on. Leave it out for now. Pretty much self-explanatory there. That nut in, or bolt in there. This one back at the bottom. Let's see what we got. Alright, that's all in. Snap that back in there. The door handle. You gotta force it. You're not doing it right. There you go. When it snaps. So put that on in there. Got that there. There you go. PowerWindowDoctor.com. Check me out. Like, share, subscribe. Have a good one.